This little umbrella surprised me. It comes in this tiny hard case, and the size alone is what sold me because it actually fits in the bags that I carry every day. There's no bulky handle sticking out or fighting for space next to snacks and sippy cups. When you take it out, the umbrella feels pretty sturdy. It's much better than I had expected. The frame is aluminum with reinforced fiberglass ribs, so once locked in place, it doesn't have that flimsy or weak feeling like the tiniest gust of wind is about to flip it inside out. I used it in the rain the other day, and the water just rolled right off the canopy, keeping me fully dry from my house to the car and vice versa. Then in the sun, that black inner layer gives solid UPF 50 plus protection. It blocks the harsh light and even helps keep you a bit cooler. It's the perfect size for me or even myself and my baby to walk fully protected. So, yeah, tiny umbrella, actually super practical. And now it just lives in my bag because you never know what the weather's gonna do.